1. Meticulous. Very careful and detailed. She is meticulous about her homework. 2. Serene. Calm and peaceful. The lake looks serene in the morning. 3. Benevolent. Kind and generous. He is a benevolent leader who helps others. 4. Ambiguous. Not clear, having more than one meaning. His answer was ambiguous and confusing. 5. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from trouble. Children are often resilient after tough times. 6. Inevitable. Certain to happen, unavoidable. Change is inevitable in life. 7. Exuberant. Full of energy and joy. The kids were exuberant at the party. 8. Plausible. Seems reasonable or likely. Her excuse sounded plausible. 9. Candid. Honest and straightforward. He gave a candid opinion about the movie. 10. Reluctant. Unwilling, not eager. She was reluctant to join the group.